Get acquainted with the 2019 Volkswagen e-Golf. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 25,000 miles on the odometer. Embrace the future in fun-loving style in this nimble, earth-friendly e-Golf. All-electric power makes each drive clean and green. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. It feels good to drive with the planet in mind. Treat yourself to a road test in this e-Golf today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.